Hello guys, you're welcome back. So I wanted to rearrange my sitting room with me. So guys, the first thing I did was to rearrange the sofa. That's the first thing I have to do right now. So when I was done rearranging it, the next step was for me to fix my Flavor Vex in the place that you will be seeing it. Yes. So after which I have to go to my curtain and make sure I cover the blinds the way it should be. So guys, when I was done doing that, the next thing I did was to clean and dust everywhere. So guys, clean with me. So guys, this is the overview of how the room looks like when I was done cleaning. And guys, I feel so good within myself after doing this thorough cleaning and deep cleaning. So guys, it was nice having you around this video. Do give me a thumbs up and please do share our video. Thank you.